Good morning. Not too bad night last night. Kind of damp feeling, but we made it through. And it's daylight. Today's it's about 8 o'clock this morning, and we're all going to get the antennas set up and get ready to make this field day happen.
Are we going to slope under that branch okay?
Well, it's coming down.
So what if we do go to this?
the ARRL Field Day with W3ACH, and check the guys who have joined me out here. There's Tom, KC3OLP, Rob, KC...
Leroy, KC3RTO.
Sorry, KC3RTO.
That's an edit going in
Let's
there.
try this again. Okay, fix that. Okay, there's Leroy, KC3RTO. We're out here getting the battle plan together for next one. So far, pretty successful field day. Got a few problems we got to iron out, and we'll do better.
But that's
how many contacts
what
we got?
Well, I've got 35 on FT-8, and
I think the last I checked, we were at 160 overall as a club.
That's not
good.
too bad. We almost got the whole United States.
We've this particular field day, we set up a lot of different things using alternative power, solar power, battery power. We learned a lot. We've learned about voltage drop and heavy duty radios working at 100 watts, how much they actually need to keep performing. And yeah, we learned a lot, and we're going to take it back to the drawing board and figure out what we're going to do for the next time.
There we go. That sounds good.
This
was a blast.
This is ham radio. Welcome to it.
There we go.
It's an experiment. Learn from it.
We had a lot of fun this weekend.
We're all hot, sweaty, ready to get out of here and go home and call it a day and come up with a new plan. So YouTube, we'll see you later. It was fun.
Have a good one. 73.
Catch you on the air.